Hi everyone, welcome back to Omi's Home Cooking. Today's recipe is Paneer Barfi. It's one of the easy recipe of soft, sweet fudge made with white cottage cheese, which is paneer and milk. And if you will enjoy this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Please make sure to click on the bell icon to get notification of all the upcoming recipes. So let's get started with the recipe of Paneer Barfi. For Paneer Barfi, first of all take 3 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. Once ghee is warmed up, then add 1 cup of milk powder and a quarter cup of milk. Mix these 3 ingredients really well and make sure to keep the gas on low flame because milk powder can get burnt quickly on high heat. So keep scraping the sides and keep cooking on low heat. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until milk powder is mixed really well and there are no lumps in the mixture. Once mixed, then add 200 grams of crumbled paneer or cottage cheese and mix it well. Keep cooking on low heat and keep mixing it until you get smooth mixture. Once it will go smooth, then add a quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder. It will give it very nice aroma and flavor. Now mix it well. We need to cook paneer in the milk powder and eventually it will go really soft and smooth. It took me about 4 to 5 minutes to get this texture. And once you will get this texture, then we need to add 1 cup of sugar and mix it well. Mixture will become liquidy as the sugar will start melting. We need to keep cooking on low heat until mixture dries out. So keep scraping and mixing. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes for mixture to dry out completely. That will help it to hold the shape of barfi once it's cooled down. As you can see, that mixture is now getting quite thick and it's ready to hold the shape. At this point, turn the heat off and transfer the mixture into a greased tin, or you can also use baking paper or parchment paper. I'm going to transfer all the mixture into a tin and I've used a baking paper. Press it to spread it evenly in the tray or a tin. You can also just use a plate and let it cool down at room temperature. Once it's cooled down, then take it out of the tray and cut it into the desired shape. I'm going to cut them into small cubes. If the weather is hot and humid, then store this barfi in the fridge. It's good for 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator. And if it's winter, then barfi can stay outside on the kitchen counter as well. So enjoy this quick and delicious barfi for any occasion and make sure to share it with your friends and family. And for us, please share your precious comments. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel. And make sure to click on the bell icon to get notification of all the upcoming recipes. You can also choose to watch our next video or a playlist from the screen. And you can subscribe our channel using the link on the screen or link mentioned in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay safe.